Here's the 60-second script. Stuck decomposing a rational function by hand? One sign error and your entire integral falls apart. The partial fractions interactive calculator does the heavy lifting for you. Just enter your numerator and denominator polynomials, and it instantly breaks your fraction into simpler components you can actually integrate. Here's a quick example. Enter the numerator as 3x plus 5 and the denominator as x squared minus x minus 2. Hit calculate, and boom, you get 3 over x minus 2 plus negative 1 over x plus 1. Clean, correct, done in seconds. The calculator also shows you the step-by-step breakdown, so you're not just getting an answer, you're understanding the method. Whether you're prepping for a calculus exam or double-checking your work, this free tool saves you time and catches mistakes before they cost you. Try the partial fractions calculator now. Link is right below. Word count